Hey everybody, this is Jason for Team Stay Puff, and today we're going to review the 4th anniversary Black Series with Darth Vader in it.
That's Black Series?
Yes, it is. It should be Black Series, yeah. Hasbro.
I thought it was just regular.
Yeah, it's Darth Vader.
I don't know.
We're going to do it.
Special edition Darth
Special
Vader.
edition Darth Vader. Well, excuse me, it's not the Black. It's the original. We're going to try to put together this little thing and everything. We did not get it for
$40 or whatever it was.
Nope.
Oh, cool. Cool.
Got it for like $20, $15.
Old school Kenner boxing, except he's huge. Look at that, guys.
Really? They're not going to tell us how to do it?
Nope. Disney. Obi-Wan. Jawa. Even have a Death Squad commander.
What? Yeah, baby.
Nice.
So, from what I've heard, that this Darth Vader is the...
one of the best.
Yeah, he is like the top dog right now for Star Wars. Let me try to put this together real fast. Really? Really? It's just a sticker. It's just a sticker. Oh, and here's how to put it together. Look at that. Yay.
You may take it.
Okay, so we got it back together. It was a little bit of a pain. You had to put all this together. Okay, so you could flip the picture around and do that with it. I think I prefer that one. And you're supposed to put your figures on here. But for right now, we're gonna open up some of this Vader action.
That was a sticker right there, and this is a cheap piece of carpet.
Just like the original back in the day.
Thank God we didn't pay that much for it.
Okay, so we're gonna open this. Everybody's like, no, don't do it. And I'm like, yeah, we're doing it.
It was like buy one, get two free or something at GameStop.
And like I said, from what I've heard, this figure is the top dog. It's
like one of the best.
Black Series Vader figures.
But it's not supposed to be Black Series.
Well,
it's the remake,
yeah.
Right?
But he moves better.
It's like Black Series, I think, is what he's trying to get at.
Yeah. Okay, first
I'm just confused about all the different things. Oh, cool.
Ooh, wow. We would be honored if you would join us.
Oh, wow, look at that detail. Wow.
It'd be cool if you take his helmet off. Okay, so here goes left, here goes right. It doesn't move too much like this. We're just going to do that. Arm goes out. This fabric is amazing. I'm just going to let you know. I actually like it.
He rotates it over and out.
Yeah. Oh, the joints are very nice to see.
Looks like the wrist move.
Mm-hmm. Wrist move. They go back and forth.
Oh, cool. Do they go up 90 degrees?
What do you mean?
Like this. Yeah, cool.
Everything goes that way. There it goes. Some of the cloth is getting in the way now, just a little bit. Leg goes up. Leg goes aside.
Bend it down. Yeah.
Double knee joints in this figure. Oh man, let's see. Yeah, he moves every which way through here.
That cape's getting in the way.
Yeah, the cape is.
You want to bend him again? Okay.
Moves right here, goes back and forth. Leg, double knee joints right here. Last metal stuff like that.
His ankles move too, right?
Yes, the ankles do move.
Cool.
Go back and forth like this too. So you can put them in poses. Padman, no! I'm just playing. Sorry, guys.
Panda bear.
Panda bear, whatever her name was. I'm just playing.
Oh, he's crying.
Oh, he's crying. He's crying now. Oh, you could take this out.
Can we take it out?
You can take
the
this
hilt?
out. Yeah.
So the hilt's missing.
Okay, so there's a little rubber piece right here where it's supposed to. It's supposed to go. It's supposed to. Yeah, see, it's just sitting
Hold
right
on,
there.
baby. Sorry, I'm trying to focus.
Okay, and then but it doesn't do too good.
Obviously.
So we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna put this in his hand if I can.
Does that feel like it's pretty sturdy, the lightsaber?
What, this?
The actual red part.
Does it feel like it's sturdy?
You know how like some of them just feel like they're gonna break in half, or like
The saber? I mean, it's
Yeah.
made of like a soft rubber and everything. Let's see if we can get his cape to kind of flow over top of him a little bit. Make him look like a, sinister.
Menacing.
Yeah, menacing. Then just throw him back like that.
Sinister is also a good word.
So cool. Chokehold type deal thing with him just holding it. Yeah.
All right, what do you think?
I think it's awesome. I haven't played with a lot of all the Black Series figures, but from what I've seen here and all the other figures that I do have, this is a very nice posable figure. Like we said, we picked this up for
Like
$15, and that's all this. There's little hole pegs to put other figures. Yes, some of these figures are probably gone by now, but you can always, like put yours on here. I think that's freaking awesome. I just think it's great.
Sorry,
Everything's cloth and everything. Little bit of action, there you go. And the detail work, like in every little piece in here, looks amazing. Little round ball joint. I have this figure for what it is for the 6-inch Black Series. Well, that's this series. No complaints whatsoever. It's awesome. I mean, you
Would
could
you
have
pay
gripes.
like $50 for it?
You're a hardcore collector. Yeah, you might pay $50 for stuff like this and everything, but like I said,
You collect them, but
yeah, we collect them, but $15-$20, it's just like
That's better
totally buy it.
because that's not worth.
You
$30.
see it in store, go for it. It's great. It's an
Yeah.
awesome.
They
figure.
still have them sometimes at Best Buy
The
and
GameStop.
in their clearance bins, so you
Yep.
can get lucky and find them.
Yes. This would be. Oh, this is such a great figure. But there you go, guys. This is Team Stay Puft out.
Remember to like, subscribe, and comment.